Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And today we're going to be doing a review on February's Peachy palette. Some of you might be asking, what is a Peachy palette? Every month, Peachy Olive Glitters releases 5 new glitter colors in these little Peachy palettes. It's always a surprise on what the colors are. You get 5 2-ounce bags of glitter at a discounted price of $45 usually. And in this palette, we saw some OG colors that had previously been discontinued, brought back. One of them is one of my favorite Peachy Olive glitter colors of all time, and I'm so excited to share it with you. In this review, I'm going to give you some vinyl pairings and project ideas. So even if you're not really interested in reviewing these colors, I'm sure you'd be interested in getting some inspiration for your tumblers and projects. All the products that you see in this video will be listed and linked down below in the description box. You might even find some discount codes for you there as well. So that's enough chit chat for me. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna jump right in. So here is our Peachy palette. All right, and this is $45 usually with shipping. And again, you get 5 2-ounce bags of glitter. And this is how she releases all her new colors. So you will get the new colors before everyone else. Please keep in mind that all of these boxes are sold out and these colors probably have not been added to the website yet. So if you haven't received this Peachy palette, and you're wanting to purchase these colors, please be patient because they will be added to the site later. But that is the advantage of getting your hands on the Peachy palette when they first release, okay? Now, the first color that I want to go over is Girl Talk. I really love this color. I love that we have some really like deep maroons, almost like a Figgy color. Okay, so we've got like Figgy in there, some violets and some blues. This is very similar to the mix of glitters that I used in my bleach spot tumbler tutorial I did way back when. But this is a similar vibe. And these colors are just absolutely beautiful. This is a fine cut mix, okay? And I think this would play really well with any type of galaxy kind of cup, or like I said with my bleach spot tutorial. Okay, just a really beautiful purple. I would put this more in the purple family than I would the blue. And I paired this with a like Daybreak purple opal holographic. It looks really yellow in this light. And then just this galaxy type situation. Here we are under epoxy. I'm going to turn the light off so you can really see. Okay. So that's what we get with Girl Talk. This is the look that I picked out for this color. I just think it's really beautiful. The next color that I want to talk about is Siren. Siren was definitely my least favorite color in the palette. This is more of a silver metallic teal mix, and it's a very fine cut. All right, I will get this on a piece of paper so that you can see it. So there's that. So you have the little silver cuts and the teal. This color also kind of gives me vintage Christmas ornament vibes. So I thought it paired really beautifully with a coral. I have it paired with this printed vinyl here and a brushed silver metallic. Okay, so you can definitely see where you pick up the teal and it contrasts really beautiful with a coral. I'm going to turn off the light so you can see. So here's what we get with that. So that was Siren. Next, I want to talk about my favorite color from this palette, and that is Barely There. Barely There is not a new color, but it's an old color that had been discontinued, and she's bringing it back. The sparkle that this gives off is almost like glow stick. If you guys have glow stick, that's a white glitter that almost has like a blue iridescent flash. Is just insane. Absolutely beautiful. I would pair this with a teal. This is Turks and a rose gold. I was really on the struggle bus with this keychain, so it's a little bit lumpy, but this color is gorgeous. I would base paint it with rustic pink if you can get your hands on it. This is from Rust-Oleum, and for a teal, I would do deep teal, also from Rust-Oleum. I've made several cups with that combo before, only I used Lost for Words instead of Barely There, and I am so glad she brought this color back. I cannot wait to get this on a cup. And really, this is one of those neutrals that you're gonna find yourself reaching for all the time. This color looks so beautiful paired with just about anything. I think you guys are really gonna love it. This next color is probably a fan favorite. I heard a lot of great comments about this particular color. This is Gumdrops. This is the largest cut out of the 5 that we got in this palette. And this is just a beautiful iridescent light pink moment. Big sparkle, big shine, okay? It's giving a beautiful baby pink. Lots of sparkle, lots of color in there. Absolutely gorgeous. Very reminiscent of Birthday Cake or Celebrate, if you guys have those. You could almost say this is very reminiscent of Barely There, but a larger cut size and a little more on the pink side. I've paired this with a blush flamingo pattern and an iridescent hot pink. Here it is under epoxy. Okay, look at how beautiful. So I've actually made a cup before with this pattern, this kind of hot pink iridescent vinyl, and Celebrate. And Celebrate is very similar to this, but this is more on the pink side than Celebrate is, whereas Celebrate's a little more on the coral side. Paired with this vinyl, I think is so much fun. This is Orange Opal from the vinylcottageshop.com. I'll have a link for it down below. But look at this combination, it is sending me. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to finish my project on these. I was gonna make little matching car coasters. So definitely my second favorite in this palette, obviously Gumdrops. Such a beautiful color. I know you guys are gonna love that. Last but certainly not least, we've got Huzzah. This is a very interesting mix. In Huzzah, we have, I think I'm saying that right, I don't know. We have some blush mix with deep fuchsia mix. So you have a contrast between like a light and a dark, which it is an all metallic, all same cut size, but it's a mix. Well, you might have some different cut sizes in there, but smaller cut sizes. It's almost like you've got blush, pink, and red all playing together. I feel like this color would have been better to release in Valentine's or before Valentine's, because this color screams romantic Valentine to me. I have it on an acrylic blank here that I'm going to make into like a drippy lip kind of situation. But look at how cute. I think you can pair this with a good amount of different kinds of patterns because you have that kind of darker and lighter. So you can go with a darker pink, a lighter pink. You can even throw this in with some classic florals. It's pretty as well. And I wanted to put this up against like a rose gold, just so you can see it dances right between kind of like rose gold and a metallic red. I don't even know if there really is any red in there, but it's sort of giving me that. It's almost got Hopeless Romantic and 143. So if you have 143 and Hopeless Romantic, mix those together and it's very similar to what you're gonna get here, but the sparkle is insane. Absolutely beautiful. Not so much my favorite color, just because this mix is so specific. I don't know that there's a lot that it would go with, to be honest. But I would mix this with a really rosy rose gold. For example, if you put this next to 143, if you wanted to do a light to dark kind of metallic rosy look. Here's how those look together. Very pretty. This is 143, also from Peachy Olive Glitters. Look. So you are getting so much sparkle with this one. This is almost giving me vintage Valentine kind of vibes. Very pretty. I just don't know what I would really use this for too much. Maybe give me your thoughts, give me your ideas in the comments. All right, so that covers it for this palette review. Let me know what your favorite color was in the comment section. Share any ideas that you might have with these colors. I think most of these were really great. I cannot wait to get Barely There on a cup. And be sure to go follow Peachy Olive Glitters on Facebook and Instagram. They're even on TikTok, so you don't miss another Peachy palette drop. They're at the beginning of every month, random times, random days, but they will be towards the beginning of the month now. All right, I hope you all can get your hands on one next month. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and we'll see you again soon. And a big thank you to all of our Flynn Sisters exclusive members. Thank you for your pledge. Your support means the world to our channel. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.